Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm actually showing you a brand new money making application that is going to pay you out in cryptocurrency. This is a really easy to use application that's going to pay you out in Dogecoin. So if you want to start to make some free cryptocurrency from your mobile device whenever you're doing absolutely nothing at home or at work or on your break, this is an application that you can use to earn some money, guys. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end, because by the end of this video, I'm also going to show you another way on how you can start to make money on YouTube without doing really anything at all but just uploading videos, guys. And the application we're going to be talking about in today's video is this one right here called Earn Dogecoin. I'm going to be leaving the link down in the description of this video so you can get started making some free crypto right away. Now there's multiple ways to earn on this, guys, and the first one I'm going to go with is the offers, because this is something that all applications, money making apps, websites have in them. But this is something that's kind of interesting in this one because every single day they have either 5 times, 4 times, 3 times, 2 times earnings on these offers right here, guys, but it's pretty difficult to actually pass them. So if we just click on offers real quick, you can see right here, if we just click on see offers, that you'll be able to check out the different offers they actually offer inside of this website. So just scroll down here and then you can see that they have Tab Joy right there. We have Discovery. There's just different multiple ways you can actually earn on this, guys. So today's times is going to be 5 times right here. It's going to be within 3 days, as you can see right there, guys. So now let's just exit out. So you're going to earn 3 times the points or the Dogecoin for just completing any of these offers, which sometimes they are pretty difficult to actually accomplish. So that's just the first one, and that's the one I personally do not use myself. There is payment proof. I've seen multiple payment proofs. I have received payment proofs, but I just can't find it because I've been using this application for a little bit, and I have other transactions that were taken and it kind of like disappeared, I would say, in a way. So now there's scratch here. So this is pretty much like a scratch off card that you can use to earn some free Doge. So just scratch here and then you're gonna earn some Dogecoin right there, guys. So once you have finished scratching off the where it says you won, it's gonna give you some free Dogecoin. Sometimes there is ads that pop up, as you can see right there. So now we have to watch the ads in order to actually get our coins. So this is how they make their money, and that is totally fine with me. So now since the ad is already complete, let's exit out of the advertisement. Let's go back over here, and it's going to just keep leading you to different places, guys. So let's go back and let's click on play. Now the play one, you just spin the wheel 12 times a day, I believe. And then once you have finished spinning the wheel, guys, you just wait till the next day and then you spin it again 12 times. So sometimes it does give you a little bit more spin. Sometimes it gives you possibly a little bit less, because I personally own applications not like this one but something kind of similar, and sometimes the admins do change the settings around in order to be in profit, guys, because that is the main goal for ads or for apps, is to be in profit. If you are not in profit, then the person who actually owns the application is losing money, and there's really no point of having an app if you're just losing money, guys. So you can spin it again and keep on spinning in order to get some more Dogecoin. As you can see right there, look at my Dogecoin just adding up. So this one's about to give me some more Doge. Click on claim, watch another ad, and then once that ad is finished, and you can easily make this automated, and I can show you that in a previous or in a future video, guys. Just make sure to comment that down below. Make sure to comment below your Bitcoin address as well, so you can get entered the drawing into getting some free crypto for me at the end of this week, guys. So this is going to be possibly my second video that I'm going to be uploading for this week that just started. So now if we just come over here, go back over here to play real quick, let's go to redeem, and you can see how much you need to redeem right there, guys. So it says you need an Express Crypto account to make transactions. I'll be leaving the Express Crypto ID down below, or the website, so you can get started with Express Crypto right away and start to redeem some money, some Dogecoin for free for doing absolutely nothing but just spinning a wheel. Have you ever wanted to create a video just like this that went viral, like 5 facts about coronavirus, mind-blowing obstacle illusions? Keep watching this video, guys. I know this looks like something that a lot of people talk about, but this is something that can actually work for you. Look at this. Photos that caught people cheat or being jealous. Things students did to pass exams. So look, if we go inside of any one of these videos, so here is the volume. So
like you're falling out of bed and you're sound asleep. What do you do? You jump straight up, and you wonder what
So
the
as
heck
you guys
just
can
happened.
hear that volume, any
Well,
background, that is something that my team is going to create for you. So that is going to be something my team is going to be able to create for you for a really cheap price, guys. They're going to be creating the videos for you. They're going to be creating the actual thumbnails for you. They're going to actually be doing the voiceovers for you. They're going to do everything that is needed to make a video on YouTube for you guys. This is going to be the easiest and simplest way to make money right now on YouTube. And there's niches. You can do this in niche. You can do it about dogs. You can do it about crabs. You can do it about cars. Anything that you can think of, guys, my team is going to do it for you. And this team is actually working with the bright side. This team is actually working with the richest. So you can see all of these videos right here, guys, are what my team can do for you. Exactly the same, guys. Look at this. Warren Buffett. I think this is Joe Biden. Look at this. Dubai's 22 billion city of the future. You can see all of these videos are pretty much the same exact thing as this right here. This is my channel, my test channel. So you guys can come in, check it out, and see if you actually want to be a part of this YouTube community of actually having my team work for you guys. So it says what you didn't know about Russia that you should know. And look at this right here, guys. Watch. This right here is my YouTube course. I don't really want to call it a course. I want to call it like a, I guess, program or just something that is going to be given to you guys. So this is what my team will do for you. My team would do the script writing, the video editing, the voiceovers, and the thumbnail. And all you have to do is just upload the video and start to make money with YouTube. Now, it all depends on you guys. It all depends on what videos you want them to make for you and what videos could go viral and what videos don't go viral. So it just takes patience, time, and I'm going to show you the introduction to the course. Watch this. Personal contact information, channel and branding, best niches, how to get views organically, how to grow fast, a little secret, how to get 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers fast, a secret method, and that really is a secret method right there, guys. How to outsource everything without my team, how to go viral every time you upload, what to do or what to avoid when making a YouTube channel, what I would do if I started from scratch. Here is my team. Let's take action and make some money, guys. So this is going to be my results. This is going to be my I guess my program on showing you exactly how you can make money on YouTube for using my team without even using my team, guys. Look, it says right here how to outsource everything without my team. So guys, this is something I've created for you, a really cheap price at the moment, only $25, which is a really good investment, I would say, to get some information, some knowledge on actually making money on YouTube, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.